Largy Films Limited.
Look at you. You are glowing.
Thank you.
Thank me? Who's the lucky guy? Don't even try to tell me it's no one.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you everything. There's this man I met. He's an estate manager and he's also in charge of electricals in my estate. So he came to check out some faulty power connection in my house and boom.
Boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh my God.
What is happening?
Everything happened. Oh my goodness.
Are you serious? Sherry.
Babe, you don't, babe, this guy, he is cute. He's handsome. He can do.
Oh my goodness. You're so crazy. But it's good. You look happy.
Thank you.
Please let me get you something to drink.
No problem.
Oh my God, you need to tell me more about this guy.
I will. Don't bring the drinks.
Well, please get the door.
Okay.
Please get the door.
Alright. Hey. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you, what are you doing here? This is my house.
I had to sleep in that hot room because there's no light in my apartment. There's currently no light in my room. So how do you explain that?
Okay.
Please, come check it out. Come check it out. Please come, thank you. Just say this.
As you can see, there is power.
You must really think that I'm a fool, right? You must really think that I'm a fool. You walk in here like you did downstairs, touch one or two things, and the next thing, boom, there's light. I'm talking to you. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Am I funny? Or I look like a comedian to you?
You see, you share certain similarities with my wife.
Your wife?
Oh yeah, sorry I skipped that part. I am married. And you guys share certain similarities, especially when she's angry. That's There's something that does to me, when she's nagging and her voice is just going up and up and up. It's a turn for me, actually.
Okay, that is ridiculous and weird.
Yeah.
Okay, what just happened?
I'm sorry. I was captivated by your beauty.
I have to hurry and see a friend.
Wait, is this what you said you were coming to?
Yes! This is your house?
This is my house.
Ella is my friend, my childhood friend.
Ella, that's my wife. Now listen, you do not know me, right? We have to play along. You do not know me, we never met. Do you understand?
Who's that? Yes,
Hey, honey. How are you?
I'm good.
Have you met my husband?
Your husband?
Yes, this is my bestie, my wonderful friend. We've been childhood friends, and I miss her so much. This is my husband.
Hi, nice to meet you.
It's my pleasure.
What's your name?
I feel it.
Wow, she says a lot about you. Nice stuff. Nice stuff.
Please sit. Honey, how was work? You look stressed. I missed you. Okay, I'll get this quickly.
You don't have to worry.
I don't. Don't you want to change
I
into
feel I'm
something?
sticking.
It's okay. I'll get it. I'll be right back, darling. Baby. Baby.
How are you? Hey?
I'm fine. I should be asking you. Is everything okay?
Yeah. Everything is fine. I just wasn't aware that your friend was staying over.
Sherry and I have come a really long way. You know, back in the days, her parents and herself used to be there for me. You know, going through ups and downs. We went to the same school, even to the same university. We had that kind of bond, and I just miss her. And I just really wanted the opportunity for both of us to bond again.
Wow.
You don't have a problem with her staying here now, do you?
Of course not. Not at all. I mean, anything to make my wife happy.
How sweet. Oh! The phone's ringing. Who's that?
Yeah, so... Oh, it's from work. Don't mind these office people. That's how they behave, you know.
Take the call now.
Babe, don't get yourself worked up. It's work.
No, I'm just saying.
Look, I already told them at the office that once I get off work, I won't be taking calls. Let's forget about these people.
But it might be important. For the person to be calling by this time of the night, it might be important.
Hey, come on, don't worry.
It's okay. I'm not pushing it. I'm not pushing it. Okay.
I love you. Hey.
Almost.
Okay. What's the meaning of what you did last night? Like you had to call at that time of the night, knowing that I was with my wife?
Because I wanted to talk to you. So is that why you turned your phone off?
She's not touch.
We need to meet properly and talk. Oh God. Besides, I don't feel too well.
What do you mean by that?
Exactly what I said. I don't feel too well. What do you mean? We have to sit down and talk.
And you had to choose last night to call, really? Of all the times in the world.
What is that?
What was it supposed to be?
So how was work?
Work was awesome. Yes. My job is, have to, go to different places, fix some of the electrical, go from one estate to the other. It gets really tiring sometimes. Too many meetings.
I can imagine. Babe, your husband is amazing. You are blessed. He's been cracking me up silly.
Yeah. That's an amazing sense of humor.
I know.
I think I probably might have a spot in the stand-up comedy world.
Yes! You have to look into it, honestly.
Yeah, my wife here has told me a lot about you.
Sweet things, I hope.
Of course, sweet things. She told me how you went to the same school, how you did everything together, how you always had her back.
Look, Ella is my sister. She knows we do everything together and I'll always have her back.
Alright. Thank you, darling.
I'll say you're an angel in disguise.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Let me quickly save the table.
Oh yeah, I'm famished.
Oh, baby.
Yeah. Do you need help?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, I'm a guest after all. You need to sit and talk. So create time.
She mind the time she called.
Okay.
I don't want to with my wife.
I told you.
That's best.
Plan it. Hey, handsome. Yeah, you're looking good.
You don't look bad yourself.
Thank you. Wow.
Oh, babe.
Maybe you've been working out.
She's upstairs, you know, right?
I know, there's no one here now.
So?
Give me some sugar.
I gotta go.
No, but you're the boss. You can stay longer.
Maybe we can't risk having her catch us.
She won't catch us. She's in her room.
Oh, babe, I gotta go. Come on. Oh my God, my dearest.
Do you know how lucky you are to have such a charming man for a husband? You're blooming. Yes.
Felix is such an amazing man. He's the best thing that can happen to anyone.
Man.
So nice and so sweet.
I wish.
Mary! Mary!
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you done cleaning the room?
Yes, madam.
Alright, the clothes I kept at the back of the door. Get them and wash them, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Alright.
Babe, this your house help settle. Look at her now. Everything's set. I won't be comfortable with this kind of person, you know, running around my house with my husband around.
Come on, Felix. He doesn't look at a woman twice. He's not that kind of a man. He doesn't. And he's even hardly home, so there's nothing. And she's a good girl. She's doing her job well. It's okay.
Babe, you still have to be careful. Just put your eye for ground. No, babe, I'm serious. I'm serious. Look at her now. There you go.
She's beautiful. I don't think so.
Old man.
You have to stop worrying about things like that. Felix is not like that. So what are we making today?
Yes, you need to hurry. You're making the husband man. Let me see. Okay, you got some pork meat yesterday, right? So maybe you should do something. Okay, that works.
Come, Mary. Mary, why they watch for here? Eh?
So now on top of your head, I for put the crowd wash. Be like something they worry.
You don't know that me be the chief security officer of this very compound. Now me go tell you where you go to wash. Why you go come to no try me. No try me.
See this one. You know, call your duty post, go they do your work. No they stress me. Man who carry see as today like a pariwa cassava bag. No they me carry the stress of this cloth for your head. You know go right.
I will cool down first. I want to ask you something. Mary, I want to ask you something now.
Waiting me that because you too right cause for the time you leave me.
That fine woman, that madam friend, will come this house. You never reach when you go back.
Make him talk. I don't see something. Waiting concern you. Eh? This your mark could put you for trouble one day. And I tell you truth. As you big like this, you no get sense. You no get sense at all.
You no get sense.
Eh? Okay, come pursue him.
I tell you, sir, I won't pursue him. You just like, it be like say, that one no gay boyfriend though. Eh? A person with gay boyfriend no go allow. A boyfriend no go allow me come for another man's house, come they stay this kind long now. Check it now.
See this your man. You see this your man, this old man. He could put you for trouble. You no get sense. Wetin dey do you? Radio without battery na you be. So you no put me for trouble. Wetin no concern me, I no dey put my mouth put. No get sense at all. Go keep am boyfriend na. Nonsense.
Why me I dey talk be say you know say that woman fine scatter. Aye. You know as a man why I be, I don't observe am o. If I dey look at mama boy go dey do me mele. You understand that? Baby.
You know they touch me. Don't man and captain done. Since I come this world, I never see mumu very like you. You were very foolish. So like this, look, just check a look at yourself. You be man. Check a look at yourself from your head to toe. You be man. You ain't no get sense. They call yourself say man. See, in fact, me and you no see today. Waiting no concern me, I don't put my man. Me and you will not see today. You know if you put me for trouble, better go back to your beauty post. Go back to your duty post.
Go sit down. You know say you go dey happy. Say hold me, Baba Eko, the owner of Lagos, come dey chat with you. There. You carry nyash like waiting. Baba rest they take come. Go sit down, Joe. Nonsense. 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 Nonsense.
Oh my god, I'm going to fall.
What was that? Oh, she's the one. She's the one.
Hello?
Hello, Cherry.
Hey, sis. How are you?
Hi, good evening. I don't know, I'm just worried. My husband is not used to keeping late nights, and at this time, he's not back.
Sis, I think you're worrying too much. It's Felix. He'll come home. He's probably stuck in traffic.
Traffic. I don't even know. His car is parked out there, but I don't know where he is. I can't reach him. Oh, God. You know what? Maybe you should come to the room so we can talk about it and figure out what to do.
Babe, you know I had a hectic day. I'm exhausted. I really need to sleep. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. You rest. Rest if you've tried. No problem. I'll be fine. Thank you.
You too. All right. Good night.
Wait, but look, this is becoming too risky. Like, what if she finds out? She could find out, you know.
Who will tell her? You? Because I certainly won't tell her anything. Babe, can you come here and let's continue what we started?
Come here, babe. You know,
Come here.
I think I need to go.
You're not going anywhere. Come here. I'll scream. Should I scream? And she'll come running in. Would you like that?
Just keep.
Where are you coming from?
Yeah, I noticed some, very suspicious movement outside the gate. So I went to, to be sure that it's not criminals.
Are you okay? I was worried about you.
Fine, as you can see. How are you?
Okay. You hungry?
Oh, not really. But I'll have whatever you're offering.
It's just food, nothing more. I mean, go and change, then do so.
I missed you.
Sherry, are you sure you're okay?
I don't know. I just feel I just feel exhausted. You're not looking good at all.
Are you sure the seed sown by that man you had something with has not started germinating?
He say something about just once.
I don't understand.
There's no sleep. There's nothing.
You need to go to the hospital. Go for checkup. Be sure.
I don't like hospitals. I don't like meetings. I'm a phobia for hospitals, honestly.
Cherry, the way I'm looking at you now, you're looking pregnant to me. Oh, looks like you're pregnant. I'm not saying you are. I'm just saying go check it out. If it's what I think it is, then we find this guy and make sure he takes responsibility by marrying you.
What if he's married?
You know, but well, you're not sure. Even at that, why would he even mess with a single lady? He's married. Why would he do that? He should still take responsibility for it. He should. Anyway, whatever you decide is fine. If you want to keep this baby on your own, I'll be here to assist you. But at least he should know. That's if you're pregnant.
Okay. Thank you, sis. It's okay.
I don't come. Mary.
Mary, you see that way you tell me, I don't see her. I don't confirm her.
Nah, right.
I confirm her today.
No be me. I don't tell you anything. You know me.
No tell me.
I don't tell you anything. Okay, if I tell you something, waiting me that.
I see all that favors with that Madam Cherry where the two of them the kiss. Hey! All that Cherry, they chop the woman mouth like say one bite and come out. Like that kind of way they see for movie.
You see this matter, Baba Eko? You know as we take talk am because my hand and my leg no ready. You know, so you too right cause it this your mouth. No, they dey one place. You go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. You know they dey one place. Then be the problem where you keep. But as it be like this, talk am small. No loud am because if you loud am, you're on your own. Or your is your case.
Now you go make the woman no one go your house. Eh? You say because him fine, he won't come collect him friend husband. Eh? My mind himself before me I go punch him for eye.
I don't tell you anything. In fact, me and you don't see today. I be we see, we don't see. If you like, talk say, I talk say, you don't concern me. Now you sabi, you don't say you sabi talk. I don't tell you anything, you don't tell me anything. We no see today. Bye. Bye. Eko.
As you go there now, bring my food after you done it.
When we walk with the road, in the right of his word, what a crowdy we say run away.
Felix, you have to do something quick. Because I'm not going to give birth to a bastard, no. I won't. Do the needful. Because this baby won't be born out of wedlock. What's the meaning of this? Why are you smiling?
You have a way of making me weak. When you yell.
No, Mr. Man, do not patronize me. Don't patronize me. What will we do? Because... Okay, I think I'm wasting my time. It's high time I spoke with your wife.
Come on, babe. You can't tell my wife. My marriage is just 2 years. You don't want to ruin it.
Oh,
Look,
God.
we'll find a way out of this. Just calm down.
Do you hear how selfish you sound? Do you? Look, if you do not do something about this pregnancy, I will tell your wife about it because I cannot hide this pregnancy forever. I can't.
You really don't have to go telling her anything. I'll find a way to tell her. But it has to be at the right time.
Better do it and do it fast.
You still look beautiful though.
Just drive.
Driving.
My darling, it's okay. It's okay. We will definitely go to him. And he must take responsibility for what he has done. You know where he lives, right?
I don't. I just know where he works.
Baby, just imagine the nonsense. Just imagine the irresponsibility. A married man at that. He must take responsibility for his actions, though. He must.
Well, babe, it depends on your friend's agreement with the said man. I mean, if it was consensual, then it's not...
Consensual, my foot. He is married. He's married. He goes to work with her, ends up having an affair with her. And now he must know that the food he ordered has arrived. He must know. He must take responsibility for it.
Yeah, sure.
I just wish all men were like you.
Huh?
This world will be a better place. I wish.
Of course.
Ella, you are blessed. You are blessed.
I know.
Felix is 1 in a million.
Baby, it's just really crazy. It's crazy. He must know what he's done.
Babe, like I said, you're blessed. Felix is one of a kind.
Don't worry. We'll get him. Silly thing.
Baba Eko. Who dey sleep? Take your food.
Mary.
Every time you dey sleep.
Mary.
You stress man.
Mary. Ah, my calabaku.
Mary! When you're done there, meet me inside.
I talk am. You see, say waiting on Gaffel is planned. You don't match up.
You do right talk. Wetin concern you? Eh? Okay, wetin you mean now?
You see, say you don't carry belly. You don't carry belly.
Na true. But wetin Oka Felix do no good at all. Anyway, you no concern me. Money dey na. Money dey. Eh?
Which one be money day? Eh? So not only money you see for the matter? Eh? I no can trust you again.
I will go sit down for quarter. Why you go trust me? I dey beg you make you trust me. You think I'm happy for this condition where I dey? I'm happy for this condition where I dey like this. Eh? Since I'm happy, I no blame you. Now myself I blame where I come they talk to you. Nonsense, useless man. If you like, don't chop your food.
You know, say, you're not party now. I dare your side. Now
You
my baby.
Come on for this corner.
Come
on, no.
You do like say.
Nah, your suka be your pomo. You stress man. Chop your food.
Hey, madam, I dey go.
Where is it?
Madam, I dey go. Madam.
Like, hey. I never pray. I beg. I don't carry your own, go by my own. Hey, Chukwuka Kabiama. That goes in here. Hey, come and bless this special food. And make this Kalwa girl not forget me. Anytime when you cook, make it give me better plenty food. That's me, Babeko. You go my way the answer. Babeko will enjoy. They're gonna say that maybe number one Babeko. God, thank you. Madam, good morning, ma. Yeah. Madam, there's something where I say as the chief security officer of this compound, I must let you know.
Okay. Is it about your salary?
No, madam. That one, you and Oga they try. I appreciate you now. But there's something important I say I go let you know.
What is it?
Madam, is about your friend, Cherry.
Okay.
I see him this morning, as in they vomit, they spit for this compound. I say I don't know whether in chop belly full, I be, the other one. You know the one why they talk.
Thank you for informing me.
Okay, Mama. Mama, I beg, I want to know whether you go fit buy me something and they come back.
Should I buy from your salary?
Mama, anyone. Go where, Mama?
You have to do it fast. I can't give birth to a child without a name now. Felix, I can't. You have to make this official. No.
Babe, listen. I'm not denying responsibility of the child, alright? All I'm saying is that you go back to your place. Just imagine she walks in on us.
Felix, I don't care about your wife walking in on us. I'm doing you guys a favor. I'm doing you guys a service here. I'm carrying your first child, Felix. She should be thanking me. You should be thanking me. Felix, please. This is against my church doctrine. It's against everything. Please, do something. Do something and make this official, Felix.
It's fine. I'll do something about it, but please, you just need to cool. Come on now. Think about it. You know she's already upset with whoever did this to you. What happened if she finds out about the war?
Felix, it's like you're not listening to me. You're not listening to me.
Babes, I'm listening.
Felix, you're not.
This is my first child. I want you to be comfortable. Just go back. I'll come back for you.
Okay.
Babe.
Hey there.
Hey,
How are you? I'm fine. Guess who I saw at the supermarket today?
Who?
Joyce.
Joyce! Oh my God, it's been ages!
I know.
Oh, she's doing well.
Oh, she's looking amazing, amazing. I told her about your predicament, and then she said she was going to come see you. She's so sympathetic.
Joyce said she was going to come see me.
Yes.
Do you know, the last time Joyce said that, in fact, I'm still waiting basically for her to come check on me.
Child. You know, these rich women.
You know, big woman problem.
Big woman problem. It's fine. Oh, this dolphin is so adorable. Yes. Are you okay?
I'll be going back to my place. You know, I just want to take some time, think, clear my head. You know?
Okay. You don't like it here?
Oh, no. Not at all. I enjoy my time here. You guys have been caring, the hospitality, the food. But I just really need to go home and...
But you know that your man can't assist you as much as we can here.
I know.
You're going to be alone. You need all the love and care and all the support, and we're offering it for free.
I know, and I'm grateful, but I really need this alone time to myself. It's not like I'm going to die. Sis, I'll be fine.
Okay, well, it seems like your mind is made up.
It is, actually. It's okay.
Oh.
So thank you for everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, this dolphin is so cute.
I know.
Oh, bless you.
Wow.
Oh.
You know, I'd like to go to this kind of place. I'm just,
Right.
I'm trying to be a fun experience, right?
Yes, they have it in Japan.
Yeah. It's okay.
How can you be this insensitive? She's my best friend. We've come a long way. How do you expect me to abandon her now that she needs me the most? What do you take me for?
Look, my decision is final. You see this decision? It is final. There's nowhere on earth I'm going to be raising a child that's not mine. We can help in whatever capacity that we can, alright? But she doesn't have to stay here.
I'm very disappointed at you. Very disappointed. Anyway, tomorrow Sherry and I will go to social welfare for assistance. You see that man that's responsible for that pregnancy, he will pay through his nose.
How do I tell her that I'm responsible?
What are you doing here?
Come on, baby. Is this how you're going to welcome me? I've been coming here every day and you're nowhere to be found. You don't return or receive my calls. Why?
Okay, listen. Whatever we had is over. So please leave me alone. Or is it by force?
If you go Mugu Okoya, you don't see Maga, you think I'm stupid. I rented this place for you when the going was good. I gave you everything you ever wanted. I gave you money, I gave you love, I gave you my life. And you just want to wake up one morning and call off this relationship. I say, lie! I decide when this relationship ends.
Okay. I'm giving you 2 seconds to get out of my house. Else, I'll have the security man throw you out.
Is that one the security man? My eyes are on you.
Get out.
You're going to pay me every dime that I spent on you.
Get out.
And I know I was the one that bought you this week. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, and you! How do you let rubbish into this compound? Please lock that gate. Except you want to lose your job. Rubbish. Ella, he hasn't called me. I feel like he has abandoned me. Gosh, I don't know what to do. Babe, I'm scared. I'm scared. How will I bring a child into this world alone? You know, how will I raise a child alone? Without an identity, without a name? Ella, honestly, I don't know what to do. I'm confused. Help me. Good night. Good night. Felix must marry me. He has to. I'm sorry, my dear friend Duella, but your man has enough money to take care of me and my unborn child. And you too. So he must marry me.
That's why I'm in a very confused state right now. I really don't know where to go from here.
Where is your wife?
She traveled. She went to see family. And I'm hoping that I'll use this opportunity to figure out what to do. Like, how bad can it get? Cherry is carrying my child. And that's my first child. Now, you know, with my wife, it's been 2 years and she hasn't conceived. Now, I have to take responsibility for that child because it's my first child. Like, I can't just, let it slide like that. So what do I do? How do I break the news to my wife? I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to tell her.
I see your point. If Cherry is carrying your child, that means this childlessness is not from you. If anybody has a problem, it definitely has to be your wife. But on a second thought, I think you should man up. Just man up and take responsibility. As long as you're sure that the child Cherry is carrying is yours, you just have to make sure your wife doesn't find out. If she finds out, it will break her. Do you understand?
To think that my wife wants me to go fight for her friend. She doesn't know I'm the one. Like, will I fight myself?
That's not even possible. But you need to harden up. Just harden up. Cheer up, cheer up. It's not that serious, man. Cheer up. Come on.
Okay.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Everything will definitely be fine.
Man, you don't want to give me food. I be don't hire. I bet where my food, Joe?
You dey craze? Something they do you for head. Something they worry you. See, make I tell you. Since you no gree recognize me as the real madam of this house, food no go reach you.
You know fit. You know who I be? I be don Kolos. Eshibola there. See, don't try me. You know, now me be the one and only Igbo man where they answer my Eko for this whole Lagos. Now me be the food security officer of this whole area and this compound. If you try me, you go lost. Give me my food.
Unam Gero. You be bushmeat.
Eh.
Now what you be? You be bushmeat. You don't fit do anything.
One day, bushmeat go pursue the hunter. I go show you who I be. I better give me my food.
You no feed. See, make I tell you. This one na my office I dey so, and na me be the real madam of this office. If I say you go chop, you go chop. If I say you no go chop, you no go chop.
Okay,
No,
I go show you the reason why when they call me Babeko.
go there.
As you don't try me. You dey carry nash, they walk around. They chop all the whole food by yourself.
This guy na big fish. This guy na big fish. Open your eyes well like catfish, shine now. You understand? No go you say because say Ella na your friend. Take spoil show for yourself. I mean, these days when better men no husbands no dey. So the one when dey, he dey caring, he dey available, and he get money. You say wetin? No dull yourself and take on a beg you.
Babe, okay, advise me now. What I go do? Advise me.
Advice. Ella don't see better husband marry. We see the year. They check time from year to year. And you still need advice. Now the right thing you dey do like this, so if you ask me.
Okay, babe, let me not lie to you. When I met him, I didn't know he was her husband. It was a coincidence. Everything that happened afterwards, the whole her, you know what I mean? Everything was not planned. Nothing at all was planned. So now I'm pregnant for him. It's not my fault. Do you understand? I'm pregnant. She's not pregnant. So she should understand what's happening here. She should know that. I can't be feeling bad now, right?
You see, now this one, like me, and Oyibo go come say, this one go show say, she na your true friend. You know, real test of friendship.
Yes.
Now with this one. Okay? If she no fit understand with you, that one no concern you. The Coco be say, you don't chop 6 cups of beans. She never chops 6 cups of beans. And you know African men, now the one wey chop 6 cups, then they prefer pass the one wey never chop.
Yes.
So I don't know what you they talk about though.
See, babe, look. I take my prayer life very seriously. You understand? So I'm like, how will this happen? How will this happen? So I feel like it's a path that, you know, God has just cleared for me to follow.
God has
so
answered your prayers.
Yes, I didn't want anything on my conscience. So I said, let me tell you, so that I can also hear your opinion and know if I'm doing the wrong thing, you know?
Because I was thinking I'm a bad person, but now listening to you, I'm not at fault. So,
baby, don't do this.
I won't do.
Don't do yourself.
I won't. I was feeling like a bad person, but now,
let's just
do you understand? Just you know how I am, and I take my prayer life seriously. You know, I don't want anything to be on my conscience. It's not my fault.
He good as he talking about it. So you understand?
Hi. Wonder shall never end. Ah. Which time Mary get this kind of level for this house? Ah, Abi Oga Felix don't dey put some for my garri. Hey, person why I say if I save my salary finish, I go take go marry am. Now you come dey talk to me like say I be small pikin. Ah, Abi, I be small pikin. I no be small pikin man. Since morning I never chop. Eh? Just dey stand authority over me for this house. I no go gree o. They go back.
And the baby, how's the baby doing?
Well, you know the answer to that. Baby, we miss you and we can't wait to see you.
I miss you too. And I'll see you soon, okay?
Baby, hurry up. Look, your baby is telling me he wants to see you.
Of course, I said I'll see you soon. All right? All right, bye-bye. I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Hey! How are you?
Me like this.
Come on, what is it now?
I'll forward your phone call with Madam friend Cherry.
Madam, come on, I was talking to my wife on video call.
You mean it? Atangakpaniko? You mean that my madam is pregnant?
Yes, of course. You're by the grace of God, yes, she's pregnant. But we're not telling people right now. Yes, we're keeping it to ourselves, so don't tell anyone. Especially that cool guy. You know he has a loud mouth. So just keep it to yourself.
Okay.
Don't even congratulate her.
Okay, Oka. I don't hear Oka.
Pretend like you don't know.
But I know.
Okay. Yeah, but have fun now. Come close now. Come to dad. I've told you before. Stop calling me Oka. Call me Sugar Zaddy.
Sugar Zaddy.
Zaddy. Sugar Daddy. Sugar Zaddy. Yeah.
Okay. Sugar Baby.
Oh, Jesus. We'll manage it.
Sugar Baby.
What's going on?
Babe!
Yeah.
You see all this stubborn girl? She wouldn't take medication. Hey, welcome back.
What's wrong? Babeko told me you're not feeling fine.
Madam, I been sick since we traveled.
So why didn't you go to the hospital? Alright, let me just quickly freshen up. I'll take you to the hospital.
Let me just make sure she's settled. That was close. You need to go to your book. Where is it?
Aproko, talkative. Eh? Sure you go tell madam say I dey sick. Who send you?
You were before. As it be like this, it be like person well. Eh?
No worry, yeah? Now me and you dey this house. Eh? Now me and you dey this house. Madam go comot. Uncle go kill you.
See, no make me vex. So if you make me vex, I go go tell madam all the go crane work away they do for this house. Eh? Sure, not like the way she.
No, Baba, I could.
What did they talk?
Baba, I could. You don't say you be my main man.
Not because say they give me food. Well, if not, for don't go.
You don't say you be the only Baba Eko, one of Breakers State.
Correct.
My party.
Correct.
You don't say you be fine, Baba. See your gym. See your fine rip. Finally, when I take charge for this house, I could command you for this kid. Take you inside main house. You will come become Oka main man in here.
You mean now?
You don't trust me. You don't know what you fit do.
Mary, lie beside go. Okay, I go do night vigil now. Pray, make madam travel again.
No,
you understand? Hey,
I could take charge. Me and you go come take charge.
Let's start first. Go and bring food for me. Maybe we know say go fit do that. Go do and na.
Do like food. Bye go. My records for
my correct baby, very.
Now I go bring you food.
I beg, do am. Na.
I go put that chicken.
If you dey too.
No wow.
Very.
Bye go. One of record state. Na so na. We go take charge together. Bye. No wahala, no worry.
Oh, babe.
Babe?
There you are. Look at you.
Is everything okay?
Babe. I have an urgent appointment at the office.
Your leave, because it's a month, right? It's not even up to a month yet.
Yeah, of course. This is a case of unforeseen circumstances. Yeah, that needs my urgent attention. So I really have to go, babes.
Okay.
Let me just quickly get a few things. Okay, out.
I'll come help you.
That's really sweet. So, see if you wanted to help.
Yeah.
Okay. Take this. Okay.
Baby, I'm going to miss you. Knowing that you won't be around for a month, it's just giving me palpitation.
Oh, I miss you too. But I'll call you every day and night. Okay?
That's what you said the last time, and you ended up not calling.
Well, baby, you know the workload was too much now. But I'll call.
I think your phone is ringing.
Yes, it's
Sherry. Sherry's calling you?
Yeah.
Why is she calling you? Did she try reaching me?
Let me
Yeah.
Let me hear what she has to say. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, my wife is here, and I'm sure you've been trying to.
Hello? Hey girl, what's up? Did you try to call my phone? I'm so sorry. You know, I went for my uncle's stuff. I've been very busy. And now my husband is traveling. So we've discussed it. As soon as he returns, both of us will come after that he got. Yes. We've already gone to social now, so that's not a problem. All right, darling. I will see you. No problem. Just take care of yourself. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Yeah, just send me a text. Send me a text. Because my husband is traveling now, so we'll be able to reach me. All right, bye. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other thing? Let me get your toilet, please.
Chuka, you don't have to look for me. Huh? Like I said, I'm genuinely sorry for the way I spoke to you the other day. Look, I still love you, but I need a break. And during this break, I just want to take time to pray and, fast in camp. Yeah, so that the Holy Spirit will put my life back on track. Okay, look. When I come back, that'll be my priority. Making you happy, yeah? Of course I love you.
Don't worry, I'll keep in touch.
Babeko.
Yes, madam.
Have you cleaned the car?
Yes.
Alright, did you put the things in the car?
Everything is inside the car.
And the food stuff?
Everything.
That's all actually, you can go.
Okay, madam.
Thank you.
Maybe I have to run.
It's fine, let me see your car.
Oh, aren't you so sweet?
I insist.
You came to see me. I've missed you.
I missed you too. So how's my baby doing?
He's doing great. Yeah.
Let me hear.
You can't hear anything. It's too early to.
Just kicking.
I'm so happy you're here. So, what did you get for me?
What did I get?
Let's find out in the room.
Oh, in the room. Let's
go. Go upstairs. You go.
Let's go.
You go.
Okay.
Let's find out.
No, I can't go on because baby has to.
I know.
Dear, so good to see you. Good to see you too, my love. So, Cherry had left? Yes, so she said she misses her home and that she really wants to go. So, but we've been keeping in touch. We've been talking.
Oh, that's so nice. We need to reschedule to go and see her.
That would be a great idea. She really needs all the love and support she can get.
You can say that again. I'm just so pissed. I'm very angry. Like, whoever did that to her will never go unpunished.
Amen, I agree.
He will never know peace.
I know.
God will punish him.
I believe so.
It's so wicked of him.
It is. Well, how are you?
My darling, I'm fine. What can we do?
Nice.
Well, you're looking good.
I am?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're looking so fresh.
Thank you.
Madam, I made this fruit for you. Specially for you.
Why?
Madam, when you finish chop the food, I could help you massage your feet. Because you need all the care this period too. And I know they yoke about it.
Excuse me, I did not request for fruits. And what care are you talking about?
Madam, forget about it. I know. You are pregnant. You don't carry very, madam. No worry. Don't worry me here. If Baba Iko, no here.
I'm pregnant. Where did you hear that? I'm not pregnant.
Oh, madam. Okay, now can't tell me. Now they think of you now. So eat the fruit.
Sherry. My friend Sherry. She's the one that's pregnant. Yeah, so it's not me. All the same, thank you. I just dropped it.
Okay. No wahala, but you go see chopper.
Thank you.
Madam!
Why are you shouting?
Sorry, madam. No face. Now because of the rough way I get for you.
So, what do I offer you?
Oh, interesting question. Wow. But don't worry your pretty head, because I'm fine. Except you want to give me yourself.
Well, I beg your pardon.
I have heard a lot about you. You were good at what you do. And guess what?
Look, I don't think I understand what you're saying.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
No, I don't.
You don't. Let me show you.
Wait. Hey, calm down. Listen, do you realize I'm your friend's man?
Oh, forget about my friend. Forget about my friend. Don't you like this? Don't you like this?
Look. Hey, listen to me. I was busy inside before you came. And if you don't mind, I would like to go back to what I was doing. Can you stop this now, please?
Don't you like this? Eh? Come closer, baby.
You need to leave. You need to leave now.
Oh, no.
You need to leave.
Come on now.
That reminds me, your friend Edna came to look for you.
Edna?
Yeah.
Came here to see me?
Yeah, earlier today.
Because I told her I wasn't going to be home, so I'm surprised that she still came.
Okay, do you have a problem with Edna visiting?
No, I don't. So what did she say? Did she leave any message for me?
Nothing really.
Edna, you will never change. I must find out what is going on.
Babe, do you have a problem with Edna coming to see you?
Oh, no, not at all. I'm just trying to think. I'm like, maybe she forgot that I told her I wasn't going to be home because we're supposed to meet somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Hey, Ella. Hello, we're just managing. So how is hubby? You want to see me? Maybe you should just move the date, you know? Maybe until tomorrow or something. Today doesn't work for me, yeah? Okay. Thank you very much, sis. Why is your face like that?
Mary. This one where they had like said person when they act Nigerian film. You never settle me. The only time we go get peace for this house, the only way you give me my own glory. I don't tell you finish. Better come make we go my room. Make you come do one or two. You hear me?
Baba Eko, I know, just leave me alone. Leave me alone. I know yours there for the mood of that your yoke and play. Don't leave me, get plenty things where they bother me here.
Mary, stop that one where they talk. Come make we go my room. Come make we go collect one or two. You hear me? Look where they talk to you. See, madam.
Babe, I thought you said you're not going to be around.
Yes, I did. But you came anyways, right? To see who? My man, perhaps. Edna, when are you going to change? When?
Why are you talking like this now? Eh? My cousin is looking for a job. So I was hoping that your man can help me.
Oh. So you came here to see my man, dressed like this?
Haba. What is wrong with what I'm wearing? You know, when it comes to clothing, I'm very stylish now. Why are you talking like this? What's wrong with what I'm wearing?
Edna, I pray you're not lying to me. I really hope you're not lying to me.
I cannot do that to you.
I can't snatch your man. You're my friend.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'll talk to him about giving your cousin a job.
Wow.
And I'll share his number with you so you can call him directly.
Really? Wow. Thank you, sis. Thank you.
Oh, Edna.
Oh, you're the best.
Who's responsible for the pregnancy? Madam, I don't get belly.
On your knees! I don't know what a pregnant woman looks like. Are you mad? Babeko! Babeko!
Madam! Madam, you call me? Huh? Madam.
What have you done to her? Who impregnated her?
Madam. Not be me.
So who did? Who is the man that lives in this house with you?
Madam, I never see him hand before. No be
So
me.
who got you pregnant? You know what? Get ready. Get to the car. I'm taking you to the hospital to at least confirm that you're pregnant because I know you are pregnant.
Madam, no be me. Unless you want make I suggest, no be.
Are you not the prime suspect?
No be me, madam.
Let's suggest it.
Hello? Oka? I don't get belly. I say I get belly. Yes, they don't take the blood sample. They carry and go wrap. Now make I call you, tell you, because all the signs don't show. Say, nah, bere. And Madam David me the force make I talk am. Talk who give me the belly. Now make I call you. Oka, you know easy like that too. So wetin I will come do now? Eh? No, Oka, no talk like that too. No talk like that. Me and the kid man no do anything. Himself don't deny him. Oka, me and kid man no do anything now. Eh? Oka. Baba Eko, no do anything with me now. Eh? No be give me belly. But I tell them say I won't go peace. Eh? I say make I run come call you. Tell you the situation of thing where they on ground. Make I dey go back now before they begin they find me. I sure say the test result go don't come out now. Okay. Okay, Oka.
Come on, man. You need to calm down. You need to chill. See, you did forget I don't give 3 girls belly before at once. Did heaven fall? Did they kill me?
Guy, the situations are different. What are you saying? That's why I was single. We were not married then. We don't even try to compare. Like, 2 women are pregnant for me. Do you know what that is?
Why don't you see this as a blessing from God? See, look at you. You've been married for 2 years. No child. No miscarriage. Just see it as a way of God trying to repay you for your lost years. Children are a blessing from God, though.
What do I do? Like what? If I decide to go back home now, Cherry will come with her own fire. What do I do?
Just man up. See, it has happened. You can't change it. Take care of the 2 ladies carrying your seeds and thank God you have the money. So everything will be fine. Just figure out a way to tell your wife. I don't think it's that much of a problem. It's not that serious now. Huh? Just man up. Everything will be fine. Trust me. You're not the first.
I'm asking you again. Who is responsible for that pregnancy? I'm talking to you.
You had it on your waist? I said, who is responsible for the pregnancy?
Madam, I don't know.
You don't know. And God sleep with you. Did they go sleep with you? What happened to you?
Madam.
Did they go sleep with you?
Maybe, oh.
Maybe. I will pick up pregnancy. I will pick up pregnancy. Maybe what? Maybe what? Maybe what? What do you mean, maybe? Maybe what?
I wanted to find out how far the thingy with your cousin.
Oh, well, we were asked to submit a letter and a message will be passed across to him via his email. Hey, Hey!
What?
That young guy, he nice. I know. He got cute joy. Hey, baby.
So wait. My guy, the enter your eyes, Abi. Just close them.
This eyes, you don't feel close where you're
Close it all.
This eye, this shine like
Edna,
this.
close your eyes.
I don't feel like you're so cute.
I know.
How you did one? Eh? Anyway, this your belly fits you. Say it hot.
I beg. What's your flattery? Just go step.
Baby. I swear, Babasi, you have a hammer.
Babe, I swear, I can't wait to have this baby. I can't. I know you look just like his father.
Hi.
Hi.
Asabeke.
Oh God.
Well, what do you give this man show? You hammer. I mean, this man leave his wife, abandon his wife, come meet you. Babe, your career matter is strong.
Oh, Edna, stop. Stop! What's wrong with you? No, but actually, saying her, he won't try rubbish, because I'll just tell his wife. Quickly, I'll tell his wife everything. So he can't even try rubbish. Yeah. And by the way, besides, I'm carrying his first child. He has no choice but to, align. Oh my God, I know. Yeah. Let me go get you the usual.
Make it hot.
I will. Oh, hey baby. You're back.
Yeah, look at you.
How was the day?
It was good. Yeah, Edna, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Edna, that's your cue to vamoose.
It's okay, no wala. Enjoy yourself. Make sure you.
Hey, leave my house. Baby. Edna, when you go, tell the gateman to lock the gates.
Okay, sure.
All
right, have fun.
Yes, so how has your day been?
Good.
Problem. Mary's pregnant. She didn't. I've been trying to coerce her to tell me who's responsible, but she has refused. Baby, you need to come back. This is just too much for me to handle. It's so crazy. In my bid to coerce her to tell me who's responsible, she slipped and she fell. Babeko and I had to rush her to the hospital. I'm happy she's okay now and the baby is fine. But I can't just handle everything alone. You're right. I agree. Just... Okay, no problem. Alright, love you. Bye.
how I almost cost my maid her life while trying to find out who got her pregnant.
But something is still very confusing here. Why would you be harboring a maid, someone that is heavily pregnant, in your house? And she has bluntly refused to tell you who is responsible for the baby.
My dear, the plan is I'm waiting for my husband to return. As soon as he returns, we'll bundle her back to the agent that brought her. That's the plan.
Where is that stupid girl?
She's in her room. I don't even want to have anything to do with her. I don't want to talk to her. Before I'll just shout now, she'll just faint. I don't want any form of problem.
What about your gate man?
Babeko.
Have you asked him?
He's my prime suspect, actually. Because it's two of them that stays in this house from morning till night. And if I find out that that man is involved, what I will do to him, he won't even believe it.
Then we need to call him.
Babeko! Babeko!
Madam!
Maybe he will tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Madam, you call me?
Yeah, Babeko. You know, you're the chief security officer that is managing this whole house.
Yes.
And if anything should go wrong under your roof, you will be held responsible. Do you know that? So, do you know who got Mary pregnant?
Mary? Madam, I don't know. What be me? What be give Ambella? I don't know anything about Mary pregnancy, madam. Madam, see, I will swear with my great-grandmother's grave. I never do anything with Mary before, madam. My name is Babeko now. I will be Joseph. I never even see the color of her pants before.
What are you saying? Are you listening to him? Must you know the color of her pants before you do something?
Madam, ask her well. You don't know who give Ambella now.
What's the meaning of that? Do you know who's responsible for the pregnancy?
Yes, no.
Why are you sounding like you know something and you have something to hide? Babeko, if you don't tell me who's responsible for that pregnancy, in fact, you are fired.
Madam, I beg. Don't be me. Madam, this work and escape feed my family. Madam, I beg. Don't give Ambella, I beg.
So you know it's this job you're using to put food on your family's table. And yet, you don't want to say the truth.
I swear, I don't know who give Ambella. I don't know.
Babeko, you're too much.
Just see what I'm saying.
Don't you? Just go.
Thank you, madam.
Girl, I'm so tired. I'm tired. It's so exhausting. I don't even know what to do.
I get it. What are you going to do about this?
I don't know.
Shuka, I need you to leave my house. This is not funny anymore. Leave this house. I don't want my man to come here and see you.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to leave a house that I paid rent for. Let him come out and face me. I can never let any man snatch my girlfriend away from me. Yes.
Rent, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Take this check. This is the rent and more. Chuka, take it and go. Take it and leave me alone. Let me have some peace finally, please.
3 million naira. Oh, so you now have money. Eh? So because of money, you want to throw everything that we shared. You want to ditch everything that we shared. Because of money. Baby, have you forgotten the fun moments we had here? From here, we go to the parlor. Then we go to the kitchen and go upstairs to the bedroom. You want to throw out everything that we've shared. Just like that. Because you met this money machine. Babe, please, it's been 2 months that we had intimacy.
Hey.
Baby, please, I miss your
sweetness. Stay away from me. Stay away from me, please. Just stay away. You know what? Oh, see, I don't want my man to come and see. You know what? Let's have this meeting anywhere else. Just pick a place and time, yeah? We'll have this meeting, but not here. Please go. I'll be very pissed if my man should come back here and see you.
Oh, so he lives with you now?
If you can hear me, mister, come outside. In fact, let me tell you, leave my girlfriend alone. Because I swear to God, if you don't leave my girlfriend, I'm going to break your head.
What is this?
One thing about what you see.
Chuka, reduce your voice. What are you doing?
Just tell him, anytime I see him, Ngabawa Yishi.
Baby. Are you okay?
I should be asking you if, I feel like I heard voices.
Oh, no. It was just the gate. Sorry, the delivery man. I'm sorry. Yeah. Can you imagine the bullshit this man just came here to do?
What did he do?
We don't worry about him. Let's just go in. Don't worry about him.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah. Looks like someone was missing me.
Well, I did.
Were you?
Why did you come get some sugar?
Okay.
What did you say? I know. I just have to go. It's kind of urgent, so I just have to run along. Yes, sure. I am. I won't be long. Maybe I have to call you back.
Mr. Manzo, it's you.
Excuse me, do I know you?
It's obvious she didn't tell you about me. Leave my girlfriend alone. If not, you will regret coming to this house.
I don't understand. Are we mixing things up here? What girl are you talking about?
I think I'm joking with you. Leave my girlfriend Sherry alone. You think because you have one small money to throw around, one useless, stupid money, you can come and take my baby girl away from me? It's never gonna happen, bro. I work hard too, bro. I single-handedly paid for this house. Yes.
Wait, so because you single-handedly paid for this house, that I can clearly refund you 1,000-fold? You want us to run into the bush? Really? Come on, real men don't do that, all right?
A real man will walk away, will let go. I'm not bragging about this. Like, what's this? Huh? I don't have time for your sermon right now. And don't touch me. You'll be warned. Who got you pregnant?
I beg, no pursue me, oh.
Then talk.
Madam, if you not pursue me, I don't care anywhere to Ronco.
Mary, were you raped?
No.
So why are you making this a big deal? You live under my roof. Who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Babeko, are you responsible for this?
Oga, hey, Oga, not me give am belle. Me and I never did for one room before.
Then who's responsible? Is he your boyfriend?
No, no kid.
What do you mean you don't have? How can you be pregnant and you don't have a boyfriend?
Look, you must know something about it.
Oga, what make I talk?
What do you mean you won't make I talk? Talk now.
Oga, you sure say you won't make I talk? Hey.
What do you mean you won't make I talk? Does anybody come here when Madam and I go out? Does anybody come here to see her? Nobody. This guy is retarded.
You're sounding like someone that knows something. Tell me. She lives under my roof. I don't want somebody to come and accuse me of something that I do not know about.
I don't think he knows anything. You say something. You can.
Babeko, do you know something?
Madam,
talk to me.
Madam, I swear, I never stay for one room with her before.
I know, but do you know any man at all that has been kind to her, that's been nice, that's done anything for her? Tell me.
Yes, I don't know anybody. Only I don't want. My hand dey clean. I don't know anybody.
Mary, what? What? Madam. You're sexually harassing him?
No. Let me that safely. I know they're fine.
It's a good thing you didn't mention my name. Thank you.
Okadisi no raise you. You know they easy at all. Eh? Madam want to find out to give me bere. But I no one call your name.
I know. Look, I'm making an arrangement for where you will stay till you put to bed. Please, if Madam acts like she wants to kick you out, don't worry, you will not suffer. I assure you that. Okay? Just don't mention my name. Babe, don't mention my name. Help me save my marriage, please.
Okadisi no they easy. You know they easy.
I know now. Just try. Just try for me, please. How's our baby?
The baby is fine, but nobody's warming it since you travel.
Nobody's warming it. That's why you wanted to make out with Babeko.
It's a lie. Me. He's your lying, and it is not me. I did not code it. I did not code it.
Not good. Are you saying the truth? Now come. Let me warm the baby. Come here.
Where are you coming from?
I had to use the restroom.
The restroom?
Yeah.
The This one was it for decoration?
I had to use the one in the living room. You know, it's been a while. Yeah. Besides, I wanted to look around if there are any security lapses from Abeko. You're awake though.
Of course, that's because I miss you. You slept off, baby.
I miss you too.
I want some sugar.
Babe, I'm tired. I really need to sleep.
You're tired? You've been away for a month. What do you mean you're tired?
You know what? I'll make it up to you tomorrow, okay? Come on. Come on now, babe.
Really? You want to sleep, really?
Babe, come on. What part of I'm
It's
tired?
fine. No problem. Good night.
Why are you covering me now? Did I say I'm cold?
Just sleep, please.
Chuka, my man said the last time he was here, you harassed him. Chuka, what is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Why are you stalking me? Why are you hell-bent on making me miserable? Why, Chuka? Why? Eh? Why can't you accept the fact that I have dumped you and just move on? There is nothing between us. There is nothing at all between us. Eh? And if you must know, I am pregnant for him. Yes.
For your information, this baby is mine. And I will never let another man father my child. Never. And the last time I remember, when we knocked, you were ovulating, and that was just 2 months ago.
Get out of my house.
I still own this house, remember? I freaking paid the rent here.
And I remember writing you a check, and you tore it to pieces. So it's no longer my business. Get out of my house!
Baby, you can't do this to us. We've come a long way. Don't let your loss for material things becloud your sense of good judgment and love. Please. I still want you. I still need you in my life. Please.
Don't let your material things. Get out of my house. Get out. Look here. Look. I am done with you. Let it sink into your skull, Mr. Man. Let it sink in. There is nothing between us. Leave before my man comes and sees you here. Please.
Baby, but you said that you cannot live without me.
Okay, you remain here now.
Baby,
no problem. Stay here.
Baby, it's me.
I will go. Stay
Baby,
here.
Baby,
it's fine.
Me. Baby, it's me, your Chuki baby, me. Ah, the man, I'm one, yeah.
You sure? You enjoy am?
Well.
Take am.
No!
It's a dream. God. What is going on? My husband. He now prefers to use the bathroom downstairs than to use the one in this room. Oh God. I need your help. I just pray that you open my eyes to see that which I'm too blinded to see. I pray that you give me the wisdom to handle things, because something is definitely wrong.
Darling, no problem, Mom. It's fine. I'll see. Just take care of yourself, eh? Oh, better to just come to the house now. Oh, great. No problem. I'll see you soon.
Babe, you know you really need to slow down. Like, how can you be inviting your friend over without having to discuss it with me first?
Hey, it's not just any friend now. This one's like my bestie. I mean, she's pregnant, and at a time like this, she needs me. It's not like she has anybody to assist her. She needs me.
Your drink? There you go. I don't know if I told you, but I have decided to go back to the house.
Anyway, babe. I beg. No vex or just be my friend.
Okay.
I just want to say, I feel come stay for your house. You know, see my rent's on the expire.
You can stay, oh.
My friendship.
Don't mess up my house.
I be
And no
trash.
men are allowed in this house.
I
know you.
Wait, oh.
I'm serious, so no man is allowed in this house or else.
Now what for you? You want yourself too much. Where I go carry the man go? We'll go zoo. No be
Cherry, Mary is pregnant. I'm telling you. The most annoying part is she has refused to tell us who's responsible for her pregnancy. Well, my husband is back. We're just going to take her back to the agent that brought her. We've called him. He said he traveled. But as soon as he returns, we are returning her. Because we don't want to let her go now and then we'll go and get into any form of trouble. My dear, men are scum. I can't even stand some of them. He will pay. Whoever is responsible will pay. My husband and I are solidly behind you. Okay? You have nothing to worry about. In fact, I want you to come visit us. Great, great. What about the guy that's responsible? Have you been able to apprehend him? It is well. All right, love. Bye. It was so surreal. I woke up and I was so scared.
You know one thing? You know, God always has a way of showing us different things, especially in our dreams. So I think you should just look closely into that dream. You might find the truth.
You're right. Well, my husband, as I know him, is a faithful man. He loves me. And he will never cheat on me.
Right?
Personally, he won't even stoop that low. He can't even look at another woman twice. Is that dedicated to our marriage? Recently, I've been so stressed and my mind has been running wild. So I just assume that that's what it's about.
Stress?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm so worried, but it's okay. But it's fine.
It's alright, just take it easy. Okay?
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
So how are you?
I'm okay, oh, I'm fine, my dear.
Nice.
Just here.
Rambalog, nato ire for Eric, and body pain. Yokroche ya faro, yambadro. Nato ire for Eric, and body pain. Mary.
Mary, you did here the enjoy, you don't even call me. Only you get belay for person house. You don't feel pursue you. You get one of past madam. You get one of past madam.
I beg no round am. No talk I made a year before they pursue me. I don't get power pass my madam.
I didn't tell you the truth. But where my own now?
You want to? No worry, I will kiss you. Don't say you be my person. Fine, no could read me cut this thing well.
This one small.
Money yam.
Mommy, you know it's a bit bright person well. Well, you know, say only me go here whole secret for this house.
No to talk, you better close your mouth. Don't to talk past yourself. If not, I will go tell them say now you kiss me the belly.
I'm never serious. I go tell madam say now you and that do the thing. I go tell madam say on that rest.
Hey, I beg when we leave this matter for now. You see as it did like this, the money where they get and the food where they eat for this house, I see they enjoy them. I know they yoke about it.
Yes. I beg you, where the money now? That's the money I ask you.
2K. You get them. Madam Cash.
Alright. I asked you 2K, you give me 3K. No, only you, another person. Who bought madam? Only you I know now. Hey! Correct. Tell me the many one that you have done
one of record state. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Go close where yam foul, yam bad rock. And so if they for Eric, I'm body beno Mary. Madam, you send for me.
Sit.
Madam, are you sure?
Sit down.
Mary, I want you to take me as your big sister. Look at me. I can help you. Tell me the truth. Who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Madam, you asked. Okay, pregnancy. Madam,
Why did you stop the car?
You and I agreed that you won't be coming back to my house. Then you went behind my back to convince my wife to accept you.
Spare me this sermon, Felix. You are so insensitive. So you just left me, came back to your house, and I've been all by myself, taking care of myself and my baby. Now your maid is pregnant. Do you really expect me to be okay? How am I sure that you're not the one responsible for her pregnancy?
I beg your pardon?
Don't beg me. Make me your wife. Yes! Make me your wife. Felix, I don't trust you. I don't. Huh? You jumped into bed with me the first day you met me. How am I sure that you're not doing the same with your maid? You better marry me. Just marry me.
Look, when we get into the house, behave yourself. Alright? The tensions are really high. My maid is pregnant and my wife is losing it. Now if she finds out about yours, she will lose it completely.
Okay. Mr. Man, if you were so worried about your wife's mental state, why weren't you responsible? Why didn't you zip up? Why didn't you stay faithful and committed to her? Why? Please, you're irritating me at this point. Man, just do whatever you have to do and marry me.
What are you doing here?
I'm going to see Jerry. Where is she?
Your Sherisha, she has been snatched by a rich man.
I know that already. And I can't wait to see him so I can strangle him and skin him alive. Where is she right now?
She's in his house. I mean, his mansion.
I heard Sherry's pregnant.
Oh yeah, she is. 3 months gone.
I suspect that child is mine.
Seriously?
Hello? Hey! What's up?
Oh, okay. I will help you. I'll give you all the information you need. But if truly you guys were both intimate on that day, that means the baby's yours.
I am extremely sure that that baby is mine. Because all the whole time we had sex, severally, unprotected, she was ovulating. The plan was that we were going to see her people. Since her uncle didn't like me, if she had gotten pregnant, then we would use it as a decoy to make him stamp his approval on our union.
This is really sad. But like I said, she's not around. She's with another man.
My darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But babe, I don't know, but why are you and your husband letting this girl stay in this house now?
Girl, it's not like we're letting her stay. The agent that brought her traveled. His number has not been connecting. So we decided to wait now until he comes back. So we can just return her to the agent. Because I don't just want to send her out of my house. If something happens to her, her family will not come back seeking justice that does not exist.
If only she knows I'm pregnant for her husband. Anyways, sorry, but it has happened. I have to fight for the future of my unborn child.
Are you okay?
And myself. Oh, I'm good though. Oh, honestly, I'm good. My mind is just all over the place. I'm thinking a lot. Because, this is not normal. It's not a normal situation. Your maid is pregnant. You don't know the father of her child. And you're relaxed. Babe, you should be, I don't know, lifting up stones, lifting up everything to find out who the father of her child is. It's not like this in normal homes, though. It's not.
Right.
Yes, and your husband seems nonchalant. He seems relaxed.
He's not too. Why not?
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. At least I'm here now. I'm back. And I'll get to the bottom of this. Oh. Babe, see you. See. I just poured drink on my body. You can see how I'm even panicking on your behalf. You're relaxed.
I'm not relaxed.
Oh.
I'm not relaxed.
Where is she now, Seth?
Not.
What of your wife?
She stepped out.
You sure?
Yes. Come on, babe, I missed you now.
You missed me? Okay, show me that you missed me.
I should.
I feel it. Try. So na me oka do this thing. Na me could to throw out. Them don't take over my room. Send me go backyard. It's alright. No problem. Because I be house help. I be poor house help. For daytime, I could be house help. For night, Oka could turn me to Madam when he dey hungry. And even when Madam dey shout or beat me, Oka no could do anything. Instead, he could follow them, they disgrace me. No wahala. No wahala.
You've got very beautiful things.
Well, thank you. Actually, I share this place with my friend Cherish. Well, you can sit down. Sit down. What can I?
Thank you.
What can I offer you?
That won't be necessary.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
There's something I've been meaning to tell you. That is a secret.
A secret? What could it be?
Your friend might be taking a big risk. Sherry has a boyfriend. I mean, a serious boyfriend.
You mean the same boyfriend that paid for this apartment?
Huh? How do you know about that?
Come on. Felix is my friend. He tells me everything.
Really?
Yeah, he even told me the guy confronted him a few days back.
Did he also tell you that he is not responsible for our pregnancy?
Are you for real?
That is the truth. What?
So, when are we going to...
Hey, easy, champ, easy. You have to walk the walk first. You know I told you I like your friend.
Who's responsible for your pregnancy? I'm asking you a question. Who is responsible for this baby that you're carrying?
You don't have mouth to talk, Abi.
Now what? What are you doing?
Calm down now. Look, this is an adult. We don't really need to know this.
Felix.
You need to know, baby. Let her speak.
Let women handle this, please. Please. She must tell us who impregnated her. Who is it that useless gate man you're always talking to? Eh? Baba Eko!
Madam.
Baba Eko!
Madam, you call me.
Come here. Why are you kneeling down? Are you guilty?
No, madam.
Who impregnated her?
Madam, you mean Mary?
No, Magdalene.
You're asking me a question. Just imagine.
Now what they're doing in your house.
I don't know.
Babe.
Who impregnated her?
Babe, seriously, this is an adult.
Baby,
right?
stay out of this. Not under my roof when I'm paying them to have sex.
Madam, not me pregnant,
So now who impregnates her? Who?
Talk now.
You don't know. Okay, what's it?
Oh, they are joking with us.
I'm telling you.
I thought who they enter you now.
I'm Felix.
Talk now. See, nothing will happen to you. I just call a name. Just call any name.
Okay, go name.
Nothing will happen to you.
Oh.
It's not like we care to know. We just say something. Talk. Come on now.
Let me handle it from here. Let me handle this from here. Who is responsible for that baby?
Oga, don't give me belly. Oga, don't give me belly.
What are you saying? Are you high? What do you mean, Oga? Which Oga?
Oga, is that you call it?
Baby, don't listen to what she's saying. I have nothing to do with this. Are you okay?
No, Oga, Felix.
Are you mad?
He's never mentioned that. No, Oga, Felix. Give me
Babe, you see
belly.
what I'm talking about? You see the kind of people you employ? Like, what sort of nonsense is this? I can't be here. This is nonsense now. There has to be another Oga. Who's kind of nonsense, Oga?
Mary, why would you say that?
Felix, tell me it's not true. That you're not responsible for that girl's pregnancy.
Break my heart, considering what that lunatic said. Of course I'm not responsible for the pregnancy.
Why would she call you out with such confidence?
You know how this desperate lunatics, all these desperados roaming the streets. You know how desperate they are when it comes to tarnishing people's image. Look, babe,
Don't!
I have absolutely nothing to do with the pregnancy, trust me.
I want that girl out of my house. Now!
Okay, fine. Of course she'll leave. Babe, you need to believe me. I have...
Sis, you can't continue doing this to yourself. Eh? This stupid girl has gone for good. And you have your husband all to yourself now.
You don't even know what happened.
What happened?
She called, apologizing, asking me to forgive her, and telling me that my husband is not even responsible for the pregnancy.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Good riddance to bad rubbish. Whether Felix is responsible or not, the main thing is the idiot is no longer in this house to compete with me.
Sherry.
Sis.
Are you okay?
I am. I'm just...
These days, you're just always lost in thoughts. Is it pregnancy hormone?
Who knows? Well, I know I'm just worried about you, so maybe I'm just drifting away, honestly. But I'm happy. I'm glad you're happy now. Hey, your home is intact. God. Thank God.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Hello, hello? 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 Yeah, yes, Mary. I don't hear you, Mary, my love. How you doing, Nana? Voice with this? Hey, where you doing now? Mary. Things come better. You can't forget me now. Why now? Now you make you supposed to they call me. So that I go feel beg madam for you now. You don't say madam a better person now. I get sense, so I guess at the same time, I like food, but really, I miss your party, jollof rice. Hey, this way you come out here, One day boring, for food for me. Don't worry, anytime where I get off, I go come see you. Which food I see chop again, as you know they here. Mary, I dey miss you. That your trouble with that kaya. You know now. Mary, I dey miss you. You understand now. Mary. My love, don't worry. When I save money well for here, I will come marry you. Yeah? Hey. Okay, bye-bye. Hey. Mary.
So who's responsible for the pregnancy?
You, of course. What's the meaning of this?
What do you mean, me, of course? Who's responsible for the pregnancy? You say me, of course.
I think you're out of your mind.
Of course I'm out of my mind! Because I don't see any reason why you pin someone's pregnancy on me!
You shut up and take responsibility for your actions. Oh, you think I'm daft like your wife? You think I'm daft like Ella that can't put 2 and 2 together and figure out that you are the father of your maid's child? Yes! Look, let me just tell you this. I will keep this baby and you will take full responsibility for this child. Be it a boy or a girl.
Look, mind the way
you better mark my words.
Mind the way you talk about my wife.
I should mind the way I talk about your
Yes,
wife.
mind the way you talk about my wife.
What will you do?
You blood gold digger. Don't talk about my wife like that.
Okay, let's go tell the wife now what you've done. Let's go, right?
You called me?
Yes, madam.
I'm here now.
Yes. Madam, abeg no vex for me again. I dey sorry for everything what I do to you. You be nice person. I no suppose do all those things to you. Abeg, no be my fault o. Na Oka fault. And my conscience dey drop me. Just dey judge me up and down. Na make I say make I call you to beg you. Make you no vex for me again. Forgive me.
So this has been going on for a long time. For how long now?
Yes, madam. Madam, no vex again. No vex. Na Oka fault. He dey force me make I do am. He say if I no do am, he go sack me. And I no get any way to go. I no wan lose my job.
Wait, meaning he's the person that paid for your apartment where you stay?
Yes, he even give me money, yoin.
Wait, what about the agent? The one whose phone has been switched off? The one who traveled?
Madam, Ayen, Nothing like that though. No alien at all. Now car plan work, nothing like traffic. So that he could if he come see me for here.
So you've been sleeping with my husband. You're still sleeping with him?
No, madam. Yes, madam. But na the doctor. The doctor say, may we see the warm the belly. Then make am they do am. Madam, no face again. Let me beg, madam, na nice person, madam. Madam, but anything you want, make I do. I could do am for you. Even if you want, make I follow you, go talk am for in present. I could follow you come. You go promise say you could protect me if you won't beat me. Madam, I beg. I beg. I could talk am, I could talk.
Have you heard from Ella?
Do I look like your wife's keeper?
I call her, she's not picking up.
I'll call again.
What's going on?
Where's that shameless slut? Where's that shameless?
Please, if you want to go out there and find out what's happening. Don't.
I said, where are you? Come out! Slut! Where is she? What's going on here? You again? What are you doing in my compound? How did this man get into this place? Okay, tell him. I said, he said he know you. So my friend, what are you doing in my house? Where's that slut? I said, what? Come out! Come out! Bring it up from here. Are you high? Have you lost a boat somewhere?
You see that baby? You see that baby in your womb? It is mine.
Hey.
I can never allow you to take my baby to another man's house. Never over my dead body.
Chuka, what are you doing here? How many times have I warned you to stay away from me, Chuka? What is your problem?
I will not stay away. I'm here to take
You
you and my child away.
Are you stalker?
Hold on, wait.
What did you just say?
What did you say?
You're carrying his
God
child?
forbid. I can never carry your child.
Anyways, this is not the place and the time. This is my compound. My wife must not meet you here, so you need to leave now.
You heard the man.
Your wife. You are a stupid and foolish and idiotic man. Oh, so you have a wife, you want to steal my own from me? Abi? I don't understand. Look, what's your boyfriend saying?
Whose boyfriend?
Look, how did this guy get in here?
No, what is happening here?
Oh.
Chuka, please, can you just leave this?
I am not going anywhere. I'm bringing you and my child.
You need to get out.
You're very stupid.
Make sure this guy lives here. What's wrong with you?
Do your job for once. Can't you do your job? Do your job for once, Baba Eko.
Oh, God. Thank God. Babe, thank God. Welcome, babe.
Can you imagine?
Thank God.
Can't you do your job for once? You just let anybody you see into this compound.
The guy.
Please, can you fire this guy?
Madam, thank God you are here. You see this, your friend? She's carrying my child.
What?
And she has been sleeping with your husband. What are you saying?
Oga, shut up! Shut up, that your mouth.
Are you talking to me?
Nah, so that you are the doctor.
Don't. You think I don't know? Ella, I don't even know what to say at those points, but just shut up.
Shut it. I know everything. I know what you've been doing. My husband. You've been sleeping with my friend, sleeping with my maid, sleeping with everything in skirt. For Christ's sake, I loved you, gave you a home. This house that we live in, I bought it.
The car that you drive, I gave you. The business that you run, I gave you. And the little money you make out of it, you squander it on women. Everything is skirts. You know what? I can't do this anymore. Can I have the car keys, please?
Yes. Bring the car keys.
Good. Bring them. Come. Felix, get the car key from me.
Ella, do you even check your sources?
I was wow.
Sometimes.
Give me the keys.
Just like
You're
this
ashamed of
sometimes.
yourself and you're here talking.
Give me the keys.
Babe, this is...
The wristwatch. Bring it.
Bring it out. Do some now. Do some. Madam, they want place. Let me know where you play. They want place.
Get out of my house.
Madam, they say.
Get out! Felix, why are you standing like this now? Why are you hungry? Why are you being hungry?
Let's go. Madam, somebody come on. It's my wife. Let's go home.
Felix promised me this house.
Let's go.
Felix, you promised me this house. Where's your baby? Where's your baby?
Let's go.
What nonsense?
Oh, God. Babe, we can talk about this. Oh, my God.
Oh, God. Oh, God, they see you. They do everything. They chop up mama.
Babe, come on now.
Everybody.
What?
Everybody come out.
That's my wife, my friend. Okay. Babe, we can talk about
this. So make you come out.
Babe, come on, let's talk about this in the
I see
bedroom.
you gonna chop mama here and there.
Leave me alone.
Oh, God. You chop
Babe!
You chop Madam Fred. You chop Madam. This I let see you. Okay? Oh, yeah. You chop Mary. You chop everybody. She said we don't see you.